At last, I see the light, and it's like the fog has lifted. At last, I see the light, and it is like the sky is new, and is warm, and is real and bright. The world has somehow shifted at all once. Everything looks different now that I see you.
Did you really just quote some Tangled?
Yes, I did. I did.
You did so good. Ooh, okay.
We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of Mariann and Alex, who affirmed their bond today formally and publicly. In 2017, when they had been together about 4 months, they visited Alex's family cabin in West Cliff, Colorado for their first weekend getaway. They made s'mores by the fire, took long walks with Snickers and Bella, drove the mountain roads with the windows down and the music blaring. They went on a surprise helicopter ride and stayed up late looking at the stars and talking. Their love started growing that weekend and has continued to grow every day since.
Alex, I know you remember all of our discussions about marriage, whether we were ready, well, mostly whether I was ready, and I can't pinpoint exactly when, but at some point you looked at me with this face that said, I will be here for you forever. I can listen, I want to know and understand, and I stopped running away from that.
Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful.
My love for you has continued to grow every day that I have known you. The world can be so cruel, but you continue to be so compassionate and gentle. There has always been something so welcoming and open about you that I felt safe.
Mariann, the day I met you, I found the missing puzzle piece in my life. Thank goodness for the dating app. I have been waiting for this day to come for my whole life, and I'm so lucky that I found you to be my forever partner. I can't believe how lucky I am to marry a person with whom I share so much and who completes me. I promise to make your dreams mine, to support you, to cherish you, and devote my light to your happiness. I want to remind you from the 95 reasons why I love you, the sheet I made for you. What stuck with me the most is you gave me the gift of yourself. I will always remember that. You were beautiful.
I have a gift for you.
I'm definitely gonna need this. Definitely gonna need this.
I love you so much. You look amazing. Look at your bow tie.
Look at you, look amazing.
I have some gifts for you.
Okay.
For you to wear inside your jacket pocket. So she's with you today.
Can't believe it's here.
I know. Here we are.
Here we are.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Love is to join and separate, to walk alone and together, to find a laughing freedom that lonely isolation does not permit. It is finally to be able to be who we really are.
And when two such people encounter each other, the past and the future become unimportant. There is only that moment and the incredible certainty that everything under the sun has been written by one hand only. It is the hand that evokes love and creates a twin soul for every person in the world. Without such love, one's dreams would have no meaning.
The truth is, despite all of our differences, love is what we share. It is the great unifier that no matter who we are, where we come from, what we believe, we know this one thing, that love is love. That's why you are standing here today. In this moment, we are reminded that the ability to love is the best part of humanity. Even though love is described in different ways and it looks different for every person, we know it when we see it. And we see it here.
Mariann and Alex, all I can say is keep doing what you're doing. You guys are a fun, loving couple, and we're really proud of you. And I pray that the Lord blesses this marriage.
Mariann, your love and loyalty are unstoppable. Alex, your heart is so tender and kind that we could all take a page from your playbook. Stand by each other in every adventure, every undertaking, every up and down. Love each other, disagree, fight, make up, but love each other always.
I know that Alex will make you happy. He has a big heart with the capacity for a lot of love and a kind of spirit that will support you when you need it most. He is one of my oldest and best friends, and I could not be more happy to know that he has found you. I have confidence that you and he will have a wonderful life together.
Mariann found someone whose genuine kindness and empathy radiates, almost, no offense, as strongly as hers. This is evident the moment someone meets Alex. From this foundation, I know this marriage knows no bounds. Alex, thank you for loving my cherished friend so well. There is such a strong sense of security knowing she has found someone that will nurture that fire in her soul. Poet Mariann says it best. It is not that I can't live without you. It's that I live so much better with you, and I do not want to miss a bit of it. Congratulations to Mariann and Alex.
I choose you as my partner, my beloved, and my family.
I vow to be your equal partner in life, to keep you as my favorite person.
To laugh with you and go on adventures with you.
I vow to support you through life's toughest moments.
And find new reasons to love you every day.
I promise to make space for growth and silliness.
I vow to nurture and care for myself, for you, and for the love we build together.
For as long as this feels safe, healthy, and meaningful for both of us.
I ask that Mariann and Alex raise their glasses. May you have happiness, and may you find it making one another happy. May you have love, and may you find it loving one another. Cheers! I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss each other.
You are one of a kind, and I am completely in love with you. Thank you for loving me unconditionally. You have made me a better person for loving me for who I am. I can't wait to build this life together with you as your husband.
It's the best feeling in the world to be loved by you. I know we choose each other every day. It has been an honor to be a part of you becoming you. You could live 1,000 years and never understand how much I love you. You are my most favorite person on this planet and in the life after this. Thank you for loving me. I love you.
I love you too, babe.